Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading, but more specifically, we're talking about gap trading. Gap trading is by far the single best and most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you can find across the markets today. What I do is teach a course, and within the course, there are two specific gap trading strategies. One is known as the morning gap trades, and the other is known as the gap fill trades. The morning gap trades, for example, are when stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open from an earnings announcement or some other related news event. The stocks will likely be drawn to specific price areas and then have a price reaction in the other direction. What I do in my course is I teach you how to find and calculate where exactly those price areas are where stocks should have a price reaction in the other direction. The first thing we should do is take a look at an email that goes out to my subscribers first thing in the morning at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the market even opens. In today's email, we had three possible morning gap trades on the board. We had Guess, GES, Tesla, and Oracle. Guess didn't hit its level. When stocks don't hit the levels specified, they're off the board. They become no trades. The second one, we're going to take a look at Tesla. And then the third one, Oracle, we'll take a look at that also. Let's dig in a little bit to Tesla and Oracle, and then we'll look at the charts. I say gap higher on Tesla. Resistance levels are $264.70, and then I give two secondary levels. Stop and profit target is about $1.25 to $2. The third one on the board today, Oracle, gap higher. Resistance level is $46.70. That was the only level that I offered this morning. It was the only level that made sense from a gap trading perspective. I say stop and profit target is about 30 to 50 cents. Before we go over to the charts, let's look at one other thing. Here's a list of gap fill trades that I provide each and every morning to subscribers that get my gap trades every single day. These are stocks that were morning gap trades at some point in the past. They will come back and fill those gaps at some point in the future. So I keep a running total for my subscribers, and I put out a list of about 30 or so stocks each and every day. So far today, one came back to hit its level. That's the second one down, HDS, which is HD Supply. And you can see here where I say in the second column, gap fill level is $42.07. I list it as a short trade, which means we're looking to sell short the stock at that level. And then the last column is how far away it is to filling the gap at the point in which the list goes out to subscribers. Let's go ahead and take a look at some charts. The first one we'll look at is Oracle, and you can see the horizontal line running across the screen at $46.70. And you can see what happened. The stock had a tremendous gap higher this morning after yesterday's close down here at $43.05. The stock opened for trading today at $46.39, obviously a gap higher. It traded into the $46.70 level, slightly higher but well within the stop loss limitation, and then the stock rolled over and is trading lower and should go lower throughout the day. As it stands now, it's at $46.09, representing about a 60-cent possible gain thus far. In my course, I teach everything you need to know about trading the gaps. I teach you which stocks it works the best with. I teach the criteria that we're looking for each and every day. And I teach how to calculate the levels where the stocks should be drawn to and have a price reaction from in the other direction. Here's Tesla from the email that went out this morning. And this one's interesting. It missed the level by 1 penny. It made a high of $264.69 and did pull back all the way to $262.43. Now is trading higher, but it missed the level. I didn't take the trade. I only trade at the specified levels. But this goes to show you the power of these levels. Even though it missed by a penny, you see the type of pullback that occurred, exactly what we were looking for, and then some. Let's take a look at one of the gap fill trades that worked out today, HDS. You'll remember from the email, the gap fill list, the specified level was $42.07. And you can see here, when the stock came up to that level, it made a high of $42.19, well within the recommended stop loss limitation as taught in the course. and you can see here we're trading down at 41.54 as we speak. A nice gain. This was a nice price reaction in the other direction, just like it was taught in the course. Folks, this is a strategy that you can trade each and every day. I give you everything you need to know in the course in order to trade the gaps successfully. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come check out the course, folks. It's a wonderful opportunity to build a foundation for day trading a specific strategy that works over and over and over again. Thanks for tuning in, folks.